Hello everyone and welcome to this class. In this class we are going to learn about hepatitis virus. Okay. So hepatitis virus contains the name hepat, which is hepatocyte cells which are found in liver in it. Okay. So its family character is that these viruses affect the hepatic cells. Okay. Now this hepatitis virus contains 6 members, right? Hepatitis A virus, B virus, C virus, D virus, E and G. They don't have F. Okay. So first is HAV, right? Its transmission occurs through fecal oral route, right? So this fecal oral route contains everything like you if someone openly defecate in some area, then some flies can move to that fecal and can spread this disease to food and water also. Similarly, if there is no sewage treatment in your area, then this virus can also affect. Okay, this is also called infectious hepatitis in earlier days, but now they are not called, so we just simply call them HAV or hepatitis A virus. And the second method through which they can transmit to a healthy individual is through orogenital route. Okay, which is sexual route, basically oral sex and all. This one is rare but can affect also. Okay, and this occurs in two stages, which is pre-icteric stage and second is icteric stage. Icteric here refers to stage of liver. Okay, so pre-icteric is what happens before this virus reaches the liver or symptoms apart from liver symptoms. So nausea and vomiting like symptoms can be seen, and icteric phase is the jaundice phase here. Okay, if it affects the liver, it can cause jaundice. Then we will talk about hepatitis B virus, and similarly it was also earlier called serum virus because people think that when we transfuse our blood or transfer our serum from one person to another, then this virus can transfer from infected to healthy individual. This virus exists in three forms. First is the circular form. Here is the circular form actually, and second is tubular form. This one is tubular form, and third is complete form, which we also call Dane particle, and it is right here. Okay, so what first of all let us study this Dane particle. Okay, this outer layer which I am highlighting right now is the HBsAg, hepatitis B surface antigen. Okay, now this surface antigen is kind of, you can say, act as a covering or envelope of this virus. Okay, and this HBsAg is what the circular part and tubular part is made of. Okay, then just inside them is here HBeAg, which is envelope antigen, and this help in the maintenance of this HBsAg and also synthesis of this envelope. Okay, then what I have shown here in this green color is HBc antigen. This is what we call hepatitis B core antigen, which help in maintenance all the things which are toward the inside of the cell, including the capsid also. Okay, and of course capsid is here and here is its genome. Okay, so this hepatitis B virus, this virus transmit through placental route, parental route, not placental. Parental means from mother to offspring, then can transfer through sexual route, vertical route, okay, parents to child, and direct skin contact also. So be careful if someone is diagnosed with this disease. Okay, and similar to hepatitis A virus, this can also exist in two forms, or you can say two parts, which is similar to HAV. Okay, pre-icteric and icteric, and in icteric you can again suffer from jaundice. Then comes HCV virus, hepatitis C virus, which is non-A, non-B hepatitis virus. While classifying this virus, people earlier thought that this was similar to hepatitis A or B, but later found that it is not. Thus, they called it non-A, non-B virus, NANB virus. Okay. The most common cause of post-transfusional hepatitis is this. Okay. So if you transfuse the blood, then this virus can be there if the blood is infected. Okay, and the transmission is basically parental also, vertical and sexual also. And the disease it causes acute hepatitis means it can cause hepatitis for a short time, which is short time jaundice, and can develop into a chronic hepatitis also. So person may suffer through this hepatitis for a longer time, can be from months to years. Okay, then comes extra hepato or extrahepatic manifestations means some manifestations which occurs which are not related to hepatitis or jaundice, okay, which are arthritis, which is inflammation in joints where your joints are unable to move properly and you will feel pain whenever you move your joints, whether it is of hands or your legs, whatever, okay, and glomerulonephritis, which is basically kidney problem. Then comes HDV virus, hepatitis D virus, and this virus is what we call as defective virus because it cannot do anything if it's alone in the host, okay, but if hepatitis B comes along with it, then this HDV can replicate and makes this hepatitis B virus even more fatal for patient, okay, and its transmission method is similar to HAV and BV, means sexual through blood transfusion, organ transplant from vertical method also, okay. Then comes HEV virus, hepatitis E virus, and this cause a self-limiting acute hepatitis, okay. So this, whenever hepatitis E occurs inside a body or affect a host, then this can automatically cure itself, okay. So doesn't need any medication, but you need to properly maintain yourself so that your immunity can help you heal faster, okay. And its transmission is again oral fecal route, right, as I have described earlier also. Then the sixth one is hepatitis G virus. This do not cause hepatitis actually. It was misnomered, means its name is given in a wrong sense. But instead of going to liver, it replicates in bone marrow and spleen. Okay. So that's it for this class. Thank you very much and see you soon.